Hi, my name is Elmi and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. Did you know that our Summer Discovery program has started? It is our annual celebration of reading, learning, and curiosity. I invite you, your friends, and family to sign up for this exciting program. As part of our Summer Discovery program, we have created take-home kits. In this video, I will show you how to use our paper flower bookmark kit. At the end of this demonstration, I will provide a link to our Summer Discovery program online, or you can pick up a game card at your local library. Have you ever crafted a paper flower? The art is believed to have started since the invention of paper in ancient China. Today I will show you how to adapt the art to make a bookmark.
For this activity, you will need 4 book pages, some glue, scissors, and a pipe cleaner. We are now going to start with one page. Grab the bottom corner of your page and fold it towards the center. Crease it down. And now you will cut out this section. We are going to set this one aside. And we're going to focus on our large layer for now. Make sure this is folded again. You're going to pull this corner down. Then you're going to pull this part here. And you'll end up with a triangle like this. Once you have your triangle, look for the point where all the pages are gathered. Notice that all the openings are on the side. And this is the point where there are no openings. You're going to lay your figure flat. This part is optional. What you could do is grab a pen or pencil and then draw the outline of your flower petal. Now I'm going to cut the outline out. And I am going to cut the tip of this petal off. When you open this layer, it should look something like this. I am now going to do the same with the remaining 3 pages. Start by cutting off one section. Then 2. Then 3. And then finally 4. You are now going to overlap and glue these 2 sections. Press on the layer to secure it, and do the same with the rest of the flower layers. You are now going to glue and stack these layers. The largest layer should be at the bottom and the smallest on top. Add some pressure and allow to dry. And bring back the smaller sheets that were set aside earlier. You are going to repeat the same steps as before. Grab the pipe cleaner and bend the top part several times to create a small knot. Grab the largest flower and pass the pipe cleaner through the opening. Bend the flower over and create some spirals or bends to secure the flower in place. You're now going to glue the smaller flower over the large one. Add some pressure and allow to dry. You may leave the flower as is, or you may use a pencil or straightened out paper clip to fold back the sections of the flower. You now have a flower bookmark.
We hope you enjoyed the Summer Discovery Take-Home Kit. You may sign up for the Summer Discovery program at your local library or online. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.